The SQ3R method, improving your study skills. The SQ3R method stands for survey, question, read, recite, and review. It's a study technique that can help you better understand and retain information. Survey. The first step is to survey the material you are studying. This involves skimming through the chapter headings, subheadings, and any summaries or bolded text to get an idea of what the material is about. This step helps you get an overview of the material, which can make it easier to understand and remember. Question. The second step is to formulate questions about the material. This involves turning the headings and subheadings into questions that you want to answer as you read. By creating questions, you are actively engaging with the material, which can improve your comprehension and retention. Read. The third step is to read the material actively, paying attention to the answers to the questions you formulated. This step involves taking notes, underlining important information, and summarizing the material in your own words. Recite. The fourth step is to recite or explain the information you just read, using your own words. This step helps you solidify your understanding of the material and identify any areas where you need to study more. Review. The final step is to review the material, going over your notes and the questions you formulated. By reviewing, you are reinforcing your understanding of the material and preparing for any tests or exams. Overall, the SQ3R method can be a helpful study technique for students who want to improve their comprehension and retention of information.